What's up, you guys? It's your girl Tamara GI, and we are back with another video. So today we are doing this cute blonde hair. Everything is custom color, everything. So if you guys want to see how I got this bomb look, y'all, because I know y'all want to see how I got this look, stay tuned and keep watching. Okay, you guys, so let's get started with this install. So this hair is from Yolissa Hair, and I'm just showing you guys all the things that came inside of the bag along with the wig. And this is a 613 wig, so we are going to be dyeing it and turning it a different color. I did use 3 different colors by Wella, and I also used the color charm, well, same Wella, the developer, and I'm not sure what kind of developer this is. It didn't show like the volume on there, it just showed the developer. And so what I'm doing is spraying the got2b glue on the lace before so it won't bleed through. But I would suggest you do this before you're actually going to use the color, like the Shimmer Lights shampoo conditioner. It's not going to do anything to the lace. So when you're actually going to start the color, then do that, because I did it backwards. So instead of putting it directly on the hair, I like to just make a little sink of water, because the color does pick up a lot that purple color, and I didn't want it to stain the wig. So I dipped it in there, the Shimmer Lights conditioner. I like the conditioner opposed to the shampoo, just so it won't be as, you know, drying to the hair. So you see, I'm just submerging the wig in the Shimmer Lights little water mixture I got going on, and you guys see the hair turning a like less brassier color already. So also when I'm doing this process, I like to use silicone mix if I am working with dyes or anything, so that the hair will remain really smooth and stuff, and it won't give me no hard type feeling. Every time I use this silicone bamboo mix, it works out so amazing. So now we're going to get started with this color. I did pick up this bottle from the beauty supply store, so I'm showing you the colors in the order that I'm going to be using them. So the first color I'm going to be using that first. I only had 1 box of that first color, so you guys can pause the video and see which colors it is, because it just went by so quick. But this is the color that I'm using for the whole, like pretty much the whole top and what I could get from that 1 bottle. So it's very easy. You just spread it across your wig, and then I would say brush it through the front part so that the front part can really get, you know, really saturated. But I made sure that the front of my frontal really got saturated, and I kind of just played it by ear to see what it would cover the rest of the wig, because I knew I had more dye left, but this is a whole different type of color. So to achieve the look that I did, make sure you are getting that first color all over your frontal in the front, and then getting it everywhere else as well, because this is the darkest color out of all the colors, so it's going to look really cute. And don't be alarmed if it does start turning like a really dark color, because that's what it does, but your hair isn't dark, it is just an ash color, you know. Okay, so now I did mix the light golden blonde and the sand blonde together, and I just mixed it all together, and I did 2 bottles in 1 bottle this time. The last time I just did 1 bottle, but this time I mixed 2 of the dyes together. And now what you can see is I am just getting the areas in between the middle, because you know when you're doing it this way you have to make sure that you're really saturated, but it is easy, and I would recommend getting a little bottle to distribute the dye with, because that really helped me out, opposed to having a brush and a little bowl. So I'm just getting the areas that I missed, and this is a different color, but at the same time all of this is going to be blonde. Regardless of what shade of blonde is on my wig right now, it's all going to be blonde. So mixing it together like this is going to look really good. And also, if you did get a little confused on the steps as to which blondes I used in the process, check the description box down below and I'll show you guys what blondes I used first. Even though it's in the video, it is written down in the description below of what blondes I used first. So I used that first blonde I had, that one blonde by itself, and then I used the other two together all the rest of the times because it really didn't matter whether you mixed it or not. So in total, I think I used about 6 dyes. Now towards the end, I did kind of overdo it, but you know, I bought all this product, so I wanted to use it. So I don't know if less will be enough, but all I know is it got me the color that I wanted and I was very, very pleased. So you guys can see the last time of me adding some product on there, and I'm gonna go ahead and work it through. Also, after I wash all of this product out, I'm going to go ahead and do a silicone mix, you know, type treatment one more time. I didn't get that in the video, but I did go ahead and let the hair sit in silicone mix again for about 10 minutes before I did blow dry it and do everything else. And like I said before, as you're washing it off, that first color is going to make your wig appear very dark, but that is just a blonde color. It's like the ash type color. It's not that dark in real life, so when you blow dry it, it's not going to look exactly how it looks in the water. It just looks like that because the water is hitting it. And this is what the wig looks like after it's blow dried. So you can see the difference between the first blonde and the other two blondes, but the second and third blonde are like a golden and sandy blonde. So yeah, I'm really glad that I used those 3 colors together because you can actually see the difference and it still looks pretty good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go through the standard installation process, and I'm not gonna talk too much for this one. I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys see it. Okay, you guys, so now that I have my hair exactly how I wanted it in the lay, like it's laying exactly how I want it to lay. It looks really, really good. I can spill the tea for a little bit. I'm about to go to my birthday photo shoot, but the crazy part is I was supposed to do my hair yesterday and it's 9:25. My photo shoot is at 4, but my makeup appointment is at 1:25, and the place is approximately 37 minutes away from my house. So I have to be at the house at a certain time. My main concern was my hair because I need to make sure that my hair looks fine, because I'm going to go get my makeup done. So like I need to like make sure that my end of this thing is looking right. So I'm so happy because this hair color is so cute, y'all. I mixed 3 colors together to get this color. So yeah, so now what I'm about to do is just start parting everything off for me to style and everything. I'm glad that I put that one blonde color in the front so that it could give me the like cute color right here, and then the rest of it is like another shade of blonde, and that's completely fine with me because that's exactly what I was going for. So I'm not gonna do any specific part because this hair is the part is a 13x4, so I'm not going to do any specific parting because the parting space isn't that big right here, and I know I want it to be a side part. So I'm just gonna have this like kind of swooping over like that, but I still need to make sure that I have some hair to cover these tracks in the back. Started. This is the Professional Sebastian Super Plus holding spray. So let me show you guys. I always wanted to try this. So yeah, so first I'm gonna go ahead and take these out, and then we're gonna go ahead and start layering and doing all the stuff that we have to do. Now when I'm taking them out, I'm just being really gentle when I'm taking them out, because these gotta look perfect for this photo shoot. So just so we can hold this beautiful looking curls, you know. And then I'm about to go through and just start cutting and layering and sharing and doing what I need to do. So okay guys, so this is the finished look, and this is me after my photo shoot. I still haven't ate all day, ready to eat, but as you guys can see, I didn't retouch this hair, no nothing. These are the curls that we did earlier this morning, and they're still in the hair. I feel like me putting the silicone mix on the hair really brought it back to life, because when I was washing it, like I said before, it was feeling kind of weird, but I did submerge it in silicone mix 2 times, the silicone bamboo mix 2 times. So I feel like that's what really made the hair like feel really good, and this hair feels really good, and the color came out pretty cute for me mixing all those blondes together, but it did come out really cute, and I'm very happy because it just made the whole photo shoot and everything look so good. So just showing y'all what everything looks like. In case summer on the makeup, because I went to go get my makeup done and it's so cute. So yes, you guys, this concludes this hair video. All information for this hair will be down below, as well as the shipping for this hair was the standard shipping time, 3 to 4 or 4 to 5 shipping days as well. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's YouTube channel. We'll be back with more videos soon. Stay blessed.